What's up everyone, my name is Jessie and welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, like I just said, my name is Jessie. Hello, welcome to my channel where I like to do quick, affordable DIYs along with kind of whatever else I feel like doing that week. So thanks for joining, and if you're returning to my channel, hello, thanks for coming back and wanting to see my face again. It means a lot to me. Alright, so in this video, as you can tell by the title, I am taking this oversized graphic t-shirt that I have and I'm turning it into a bodysuit. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so what you're going to need for this one is the graphic tee you want to use, scissors, snap tape, a bikini bottom or underwear or even bodysuit, and a sewing machine. Alright, so as you can see, I'm using, like I said, an oversized graphic tee, so it's not fitted in tight like a bodysuit should be. So what I'm going to do is take a tank top that I have. I like the way it fits me, I like the neckline, I just enjoy everything about it. And I'm basically going to use that as a stencil for my bodysuit. So I'm going to line it all up at the top and then cut around the shape of the tank top to make my bodysuit fit me better and make it the size I want it to be. Okay, so next up, I'm measuring from my shoulder to about my hip bone area so I can measure out the actual bodysuit part. So this is where your bikini bottom or underwear, or even if you have a bodysuit already that you like how it fits and sits on you, this is where it comes in. So I'm taking the measurements that I just made and lining it up on my tank top and t-shirt, and now I'm bringing in my bikini bottoms. And I'm taking the very bottom, as you can see, and placing it to the bottom of my shirt. And now I know with my measurements where to cut up to, so I know how and where it's going to sit on me once it's formed into a bodysuit. So now that you have the one side cut to measurement, you can just fold your shirt in half, make sure all your sides line up, and go ahead and follow that cut that you've done on the other side so it's nice and even. Okay, so as you can see, we have a shape of a bodysuit. It's coming to life. And now we're going to be going in and sewing the sides shut to obviously make it into one whole piece. Now you do have the option as well, if you want, you can sew a seam up where your arms go through and where your legs go as well to kind of make it clean cut, or you can leave it how it is and give it that like raw, rough, edgy kind of look with the raw seams, which is what I'm going to do. Just before you go in and sew, you put pins in to keep the seams and everything straight. The main parts you are going to want to pin is up at your armpits and right where your legs go through, up at the hip bone. Alright, so let's go in and sew that shut. Okay, so both our sides are sewn shut, so now we've gotten to the part of the bottom of the bodysuit. I am going to be using snap tape, so I have the option to open and close my bodysuit so I don't have to get butt naked when I go to the bathroom. But if you want to do that, then you can just go ahead and sew the bottom of your bodysuit shut. But I am not going to be doing that, so I've measured out my snap tape. It's about 2 clips. And then you're just going to go in and sew that onto the bodysuit as well. Make sure you do a little practice before you sew it in. Make sure it's actually going to like work. When it comes to sewing on the snap tape, you're going to be sewing just like in the rectangular shape that it is. So let's go ahead and do that. And voila, ladies and gents, the bodysuit is done. Let's go try it on. Alright everyone, that's all for this week's video. I do just want to say that one, this obviously doesn't have to be done with an oversized graphic t-shirt. You can turn any shirt of yours into a bodysuit. And 2, if you have a shirt and it's not long enough, you can just take some extra fabric and sew it onto the like flappy part, like that, actually like your actual bodysuit part, to give yourself extra length. So keep that in mind. But yeah, I really hope someone somewhere enjoyed this video. I hope it sparked some form of creativity. And if you enjoyed this, I would really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!